Hi Lou, my name is Steve Sherman, and my question is, I'm considering having my roof re-roofed, and I have about 4 skylights, and most of the roofers that have come out to give me an estimate say they don't really want to touch the skylights. I'm not sure whether it's a good idea to have the skylights replaced at this time, or should I just leave the old ones? What do you think?
Steve, I like skylights. I'm going to assume you like them as well. The issue is you said re-roof, meaning that you're going to go over the top of the existing roof. That's why none of the roofing companies want to touch the skylights, because it's virtually impossible to kind of get underneath that old flashing so they don't leak. For my money, when you're going to do a roof, you tear off the old one completely. I guarantee you there's damage underneath that roof that you can address then. You fix it all up, buy new flashing kits for each one of those skylights that the roofers will then install as part of your new roof, and they'll also warranty it, so if there's ever a leak, they'll come back and fix it. Oh, and finally, when you do a complete tear-off, it's a better overall value proposition for your home.
Hi Lou, my name's Vicki Howard and I'm from Dallas, Texas. I'm interested in putting some backyard landscaping in and a shed so I can enjoy my outdoors all year round, but I'm not sure who I need to talk to get the right permits and what permits I actually need to make sure I stay in line with regulations and everyone is safe.
Well, Vicki, I love a good shed in a yard, but there are some things you need to do to make sure that it can go where you want it to go. I would start with the village or city that you live in and find out if any permits are needed. Now, if you're going to build something or put some sort of foundation down, then it's almost for certain you're going to need approval from them. There are many companies out there that provide prefab sheds that actually show up on the back of a truck, and you literally just dump them on the yard, maybe with some gravel underneath there as well. Number 2 is you may want to talk to your neighbors. There may be some stipulation in the rules that say that you have to alert the neighbors that you're doing that as well. And number 3, there will be some setbacks, meaning you're going to have to be a certain distance away from the side yard and the rear of the yard and so on. Those will all be answered by the city or village that you live in. That way, when you build it or get it delivered, it can stay put.
Hi Lou, my name is Nancy. My husband and I are thinking about doing a bathroom renovation, and our bathroom is split into 2 separate rooms, and we have a little issue with heat. One of the rooms doesn't have a heater in it, just the tub and the toilet and a window. So we are going to be taking the window out, replacing it, and we were wondering how we could get some extra help on heating that particular room, possibly flooring, maybe a heat lamp. Any recommendations you might have, we truly appreciate. Thanks so much, Lou. Have a great day.
Nancy, I have a solution for you two. You want in-floor electric heating. Now, since you're going to renovate the whole bathroom, you're going to take up that old floor, I assume. Then you can buy these electric mats. There's several different manufacturers. This mat gets placed down on the subfloor. It actually gets set in a thin set adhesive. So it gets set down there. You run the wires up the wall. You're going to need an electrician to connect it for you. But then your tile or stone goes over the top. And you can either set that up on a timer or a thermostat to make it perfectly warm. And when you step on there with your bare feet in the morning, you are never going to want to leave the bathroom. It's going to be so comfortable.